So the last couple of nights, many of you have gathered together at CCC to tell stories about how Jessie has impacted your lives. And although this was not a part of the program, I have a story of my own I'd like to share. Some of you know or knew Jessie as teacher, as pastor, as translator. But let me tell you, it was scary getting to know him as father-in-law. Now, the last several years, though, Jessie has stated several times, he has said, I wish I could be more like my son-in-law, Barry, because he doesn't care what anybody thinks of him. Now, I'm still not sure if that is a compliment or not, but it's in that spirit I want to share the story of the very first time I met my father-in-law. In 1985, in the fall of 1985, I was a student at Ozark Christian College where he went to school. And for several months, I had been dating his daughter, Lucy. At the time, ꓙesse was living in Joplin, Missouri, and Dad was over here finishing up his work in Chiang Mai. So Jessie arrived in Joplin, and I was invited for dinner one evening to meet him. Now, during the week before dinner, because Jessie was very famous at Ozark, my friends kept saying to me, "Are you nervous? Are you nervous? Are you scared?" And by the time the dinner rolled around, I was. So this was going to be a big night for me. His daughter Lucy is smart, she's kind, and let's be honest, very beautiful, and I knew I would like her to be my wife, but I needed his blessing first. So as I was driving over to their house, I was thinking to myself, this has to go well. This has to go well tonight.
어린이 이나니과 이와히과 기도 자자이도 기타네 네마과 와가 네마가 치 배가 나라라 모두리 시만나나서 다솔링하면 네마과니 더만이 알리베가 동하이 삼렛 동하이 삼렛 베스는 네마과 두자스는 기우시고죠.
Now they had a small home and did not have a driveway for the cars to park. Each house on the sides of them had a driveway, but they had a very small area to park in front of the house. And I had been told that the neighbors get angry if you block the driveway, so always be careful where you park.
Hima mutia na fung beni nis la ku shi wa zuma ne o ni te ni be ha bu ju mutia jo le no na ta no ji ji ya mo sa na nga ma nga ma ko no na fung be su ne de be lang ma be ite o le be lo ju.
So as I pulled up to the house in my little car, I saw there was just enough room behind Jesse's car for me to park and not block the driveway.
O ni ko hima ko chi la ta ne Inai Nantane, Mapa Jessie Modomago Quadina, Bosani, Imodo Kenes Quane, Naguti Mani Jobajo, Tassati Himatega Machai Nazo. I Jibby Yabus, she's so good now, Benny, Nananta Nayushi.
And as I drove up, I'm thinking how much I want this night to go well. And as I drove up, I ran right into the back of his car.
Anne. Fan lai ma più lo bet mo kwang nga a ta ni ni ali be ga yam so kwa mo do man na dong ho be se je yam so kwa ki ya kwa ma kwa ni ko le shi de ko le te to break ma yi mi ya ko na yam a ta ma ba je si mo do ma de ko ke ne sa jo tek lu ju
now I did not hit the car hard enough to do any damage, but I definitely hit it hard enough to rock it back and forth. So after I got over the shock, I looked up at the house in the windows. Nobody is looking out the window. Good. I look on the porch. Nobody is standing on the porch. Good.
Only need guy mutinani ne tachi na futa hima kwa nye ba pia na futa ma ba je sing nye kuma I ofin mo kwang se ti na futa o ko nyanga sanga te munga se be se na futa ali ma ko manya jo a be be ni ko ka jo nyanga se be ka jo te na futa ka jo ga ali ma ko manya jo ane be adi zda yo.
As I'm walking up the sidewalk to the house, I was almost to the steps thinking, I am so lucky nobody was watching.
Lucky kalio ma besa ni ma no le ma ma shima ka mudu ma go ni ma je ali ma ma muta ne zdawa besa ni question yana.
And just as I was reaching for the door, I heard a car door open behind me. And I watched my future father-in-law get out of his car and start walking toward the house. I was so scared and so shocked. I did not say hello. I did not apologize. I simply turned around, walked into the house, and sat down at a chair in the corner.
我理解的，嘛把这西多拉嘛的摸一谈呢，一个你嘛得呢，你嘛差呢，hello 个嘛呗，花花个嘛呗，สวัสดี个嘛呗，那你ขอโทษ哩嘛呗，这话啊可不是一个嘛，我只是呢，一股啥不过，一股啥听嘛过，你差，你有就。
So a few moments later, Jesse walked in saying a number of things in ꓙꓰ which I did not understand, but I could tell they didn't sound good for me.
It was probably Sean on him. 我讲呢，第八堂你嘛把这是个对了，是呢，黑瓜子老做，黑瓜子老堂呢，那呢，其实是呢，最家里生活就，我那边话生活嘛，最没事不成呢。
So somehow we got past that, and thankfully for me, I know him as my father-in-law.
我哋讲没有的，那呢，我哋今年很有古怪是呢，今年咱呢，也是在某类社会怪是呢，因为开始吃今年苦嘛的嘞，对的啊，也是，我哋说是今年我有啊，不是 ，Thank you。